mkdir .config autostart, make sure this directory exists, and then just copy user share applications org plasma KDE. For example, many KDE applications. For example, we can copy then, here's console. So the console desktop file, just copy it into .config autostart, and then you have autostart applications. But also here in the system settings, you have also autostart available. And here you see console is inserted, and you can here add another application. So just by the way, just a quick view aliases that I created to